What's going on, my beautiful people? Here's your access to an all-in-one business software with affiliate program benefits that you can tap into today. Plus, you can earn two-tier commission or tier 2 commission with this system here. Now we're inside of Assassin Tools, and I want you to stick with me to the end of this video because I'm going to show you how to get access not only to this tool but some other tools that can help you in your business as well. Whether you're a network marketer, affiliate marketer, beginner, intermediate, or full-time, you've been at this for a while, this can really help you in your business. I'm going to show you how you can get it for one low monthly cost that's going to give you access to several different tools which has never been heard of before inside of the affiliate marketing arena. Okay, so we're inside of the Assassin Tools. I have a domain connected called AI Assassin Tools. That's my domain, and what I love about this, we're in the Launchpad area now. I have connected my Facebook account to this page. My Facebook page actually to this page. You can't connect your Facebook profile. It has to be a page that you created in Facebook. But the beauty of this is once you connect this page, you're able to hold conversation with your leads who contact you on your Facebook page. And that's a beautiful thing. I'm going to show you how that works because it's actually happens inside of here, not only on your Facebook page, but when you use this as your email autoresponder inside of Assassin Tools as well. Okay, the benefit is if someone responds to one of your emails that you send out, it comes back inside of AI Assassin Tools, okay, as a conversation that you can hold right within this system itself. Even your text messages as well. Okay, you can set up text messages in here, and you get an app where you can connect with your leads as well. So this is the Launchpad. I've connected my Facebook account. This is an actual dashboard that you're going to have access to as well. And things inside of here, this is your dashboard. You'll be able to set up, okay, in conversation, you'll be able to see where you've had a conversation with someone. If I come over here and click, okay, it says new message notification. If I come over here, you can see where I've had the conversation with the contact in here as well. And you get their name and all of that stuff, whatever they give you through Facebook, even the emails, okay, that come in. And you can respond back to them where we are having a conversation here. He sent me a message. I responded to him today. He sent a message on November the 10th. I responded to him today. Okay, so you have opportunities. You're able to set up payments and all of this, everything, documents, orders, subscription, payment links, transaction products, coupons, settings, integrations, all of that you can set up in here under the marketing tab. Okay, this is where you're able to post on your Facebook, okay, page without having to be logged into Facebook at all. And you see I've already made one post here yesterday using this, okay, of the video that I did yesterday. It's actually posted it on my Facebook for me. All that can be done within here. Emails, you can set up, if I click on emails, you can set up emails in here, templates, statistics, you can set up snippets, countdown timers that you add into your emails, trigger links or links that you can put inside of your email as well. If you see, I have some trigger links set up already in here. Affiliate manager for you to, if you have your own affiliate program, you can do that. Branded board, so you can set up your, your color scheme and everything in here like that. If I click on branded board, you can add your logos. Choose the colors that you want. Use the typographic that you want. Arial, Anton, and Open Sans. Okay, so you're able to do all of that inside of here as well. Automations. This is where you can set up email automations that automatically go out once someone opts into your page. You have a content AI, global workflow settings, things that you can set up in here as well. So if we come back over, let's go back up. We come back over here and we go back because it automatically takes you to settings. We go back you're going to come down to your sites here. Under sites, you're able to set up, add new funnels. You can do websites, you can do stores, webinars, analytics. Okay, all of that, what you need here, you're going to get all of that. Blogs, you can set up a blog in here. Okay, blog, WordPress, client portal, dashboard settings, branded mobile apps, forms. These is where you're going to build your forms that are going to go on your opt-in pages. You can do, let's click on forms. You'll be able to see your forms here. Surveys, you can set up surveys. Okay, quizzes, you can do quiz in here. Chat widgets, you can set up that. QR codes, you want to set up a QR code and URL redirects. Okay, that's going to take you to the settings again. Okay, but we come back, this is your URL redirects. The link in the description below is a URL redirect. Okay, so we're going to go back. You can set up membership sites in here. Okay, courses, if you have courses that you want to set up, community group settings, certificate, go collab, marketplace. I don't know what that is, but we'll click on it.
Your creativity, grow your audience.
So you can set up a community in there. Let's go back to courses. You can set up your courses, media storage. You can upload, you know, your logos, images, PDF, videos, all of that. And you can do it from Google Drive and all of those types of places like that. We go to reputation. You can see your reputations here, requests, reviews, widgets, listings, settings, reporting. You can have all of your reporting here. You have the app marketplace, mobile app, product research. This is your mobile app here. Okay, your mobile app that you can download on your phone. Product research, AI assistant tools in here that's going to help you in here and everything. Once I really get down and know how this works, I'm going to do an individual video on each one. Email writer. Okay, then if we go to settings, okay, all of your profile, all of your stuff, everything, every tool that you need is inside of here. If we go back over here to email marketing, as I said before, if I want to do a new post, you'll see everything. Create a new post here, upload from CSV, social planner templates, all of this stuff in here. You can click on that. You'll have templates that you can use in here, all of that stuff. We click on it again, upload from CSV, content AI. Okay, it's going to help you generate content and things like that. This feature is a paid service and will incur charges based upon your usage. Okay, so you have that in order to help you make content for your Facebook page. Okay, we create a new post. We can RS post reviews. We create a post. It's simply going to come over here, create your post, choose the account you want to come over to, and I'm just going to come over here and say, you see, I'm going to say, that's my post. I want to come over here. I can find an image. I can come over here. Let's just do like, we can create an image using AI. We're going to do that. I'm going to describe my image. It's a beautiful outdoors. Let's do that. Beautiful outdoors. And like I said, this is a paid service as well. So we're going to do that. And I'm going to, let's see, continue. And there it is. And so the image is there. And then I'm going to come over here and click. Let me see. So I'm going to have to move myself over out of the way here. And then I'm going to click on the post. And I'm going to click post now. And let it do what it do. Okay, then I'm gonna move myself back over here in the corner. Get myself straight. We're gonna come over to the planner. And it's in progress. I'm gonna come over here to Facebook right quick. while it's going in progress, I'm going to come over here and go to my page. Going to see what happens here in a few seconds, and boom, there it is. If I click on see page, there is the post right there. Okay, so that's the post that was made within the system. So you can do that. And if you notice over here on my Facebook, this is what I uploaded yesterday using the same system. Okay, so all of it works if you just put it to work. Everything that you need is in here. Now, this is your all-in-one business software that you can get with every benefit that you need. The benefits of using this software, the fact that you housing everything under one roof, that keeps you, pretty much staying in one place and not having to log into too many different accounts. You're able to have everything in the one place. Now, the other benefit of getting the Assassin tools, okay, is the fact that you're also going to be joining the Meoti community. Now, this is a paid community. This community is $97 per month, okay? But I want you to understand something. When you invest in this community right here, the Meoti community, which means most insane over delivery ever, you're going to get access to the Assassin tools, okay? And you're going to get access to the system, super system. Okay, this is where all your affiliate links are going to be. Okay, if I go to the dashboard here, you're going to get access to this. You're going to get access also to the system hubs, okay, or the super system, where you're able to build out your own system inside of here as well. If I move this over here, you can build out your own affiliate system in here using Warrior Plus product, ClickBank product, or your network marketing business as well. Okay, now, once you join the Meoti, you get access to this, you get access to this, you get access to this, and you get to join the affiliate program. With the affiliate program, Super System affiliate program, okay, you're going to be earning 40% recurring commissions, okay? But on top of that, as I mentioned before, you also get an additional, okay, 10% second tier commission when you activate your Super Systems account. Plus, you earn 10% on high and super ticket custom plans. We don't hoard big ticket back end offers. Plus, you unlock additional bonuses as well. Okay, and so everything you're going to get also is on this page right here, and I will put a link to this in the description as well if you want to get, just join the affiliate program. But just remember, okay, you're going to have to activate your Super System account to earn the 2-tier commissions as well. So everything you need is in the Assassin tools, AI Assassin tool. Every tool that you need is here for product research, social posts, email writing, okay, software to help you, your email marketing, all of your autoresponders in here, set up all of your funnels in here. You can do whatever you need inside of here, build your website in here. Okay, let's go back to sites again. Your websites, everything you need is inside of here. Conversations, hold all your conversations in here. Contacts, when you go to contact, you'll see your contacts in here. Okay, if I click on him, Garfield, you can see the conversations that we've had. Okay, bulk action, smart list, tasks, everything that you need is in here. Membership sites, everything. So if you want to get access to this all-in-one business software with affiliate marketing program benefits, go ahead on, click the button below. You can get access to it, and you can go ahead on and get started today. Okay, right now, because you're going to get access to the Meoti group and all of these tools here, the Assassin tools, the Super System, where you can build your own hub, the affiliate program where you earn 2-tier commissions, and this group here where you're going to have access to all of this training here and other trainings that they add as well. Okay, so go ahead right now, click the link in the description, to get started with the assassin tools and watch the webinar. It's going to take you to a webinar, and the other link for you to join the affiliate program will be there as well. So with that being said, I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.